I've heard a lot of stories of entrepreneurs starting out the business really excited, and along the way, things just don't go right, and they end up over leveraging, and as a result, they lose their homes, they lose their assets, they lose their business.
Today we have Joewin, a serial entrepreneur who has multiple success in many business in different industries. We'll hear from her unique perspective of how she runs businesses and why she thinks that businesses should all be financial literate. So a lot of people talk about personal investments, but rarely do I hear about financial literacy in business. What got you into this entire topic alone?
Sometime back, I realized that my personal finance was in a mess. I had debts and all that, and I asked myself, I've built these different businesses that were multi-million. Why am I in this situation? I realized that the way you handle your personal finance is also how you handle your business finance.
I believe that a lot of business owners, they also have problems like that. What I want to know is, how do I as a business owner know that I have a cash issue or I have a financial issue? What are some indicators?
If you don't even have like 3 months worth of expenses, you are pretty much on the brink of getting into trouble. When we did our research, at least 50% of businesses that have less than 15 days of cash buffer. So the moment you have any surprises, you are in trouble. When you borrow money to pay for expenses, you are just delaying the eventual collapse of your business. Numbers is the one that drives strategy, not the other way around.
If I am a new business owner, how do I even think about business numbers? Do you have any framework to guide me along?